Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce CRM for beginners. We will start by understanding its core purpose, centralizing customer information to streamline your sales and service efforts. Salesforce helps businesses manage customer interactions, track leads, and close deals more efficiently. It's designed to give you a complete view of your customer, from their first interaction to ongoing support, ensuring everyone on your team is on the same page. Navigating Salesforce is straightforward once you know the key areas. The app launcher, located in the top left, is your gateway to different Salesforce apps like Sales or Service Cloud. The navigation bar at the top helps you access specific objects such as accounts, contacts, and opportunities. For quick information retrieval, the global search bar is incredibly powerful, allowing you to find almost anything within your Salesforce instance in just a few seconds. Effectively managing leads and opportunities is crucial for sales success. A lead is an individual or company that has expressed interest in your offerings. Once a lead is qualified, you convert it into an account, a contact, and an opportunity. The opportunity record then allows you to track the potential deal's stage, value, and expected close date, providing a clear pipeline view for your sales team to manage up to 100 deals simultaneously. Personalizing your Salesforce experience enhances productivity. You can create custom list views for objects like accounts or opportunities, allowing you to see only the data most relevant to your daily tasks. Dashboards offer a visual representation of your key performance indicators, providing a quick overview of your business health. Furthermore, generating reports helps you dive deep into your data, uncovering trends and insights that can drive strategic decisions for your team of 10 or more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.